Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to remove private account lock symbol from X account, you come to the right place. So if your X, formerly known as Twitter account, is private and you want to remove the private account lock symbol to make your account public, follow these steps to using the mobile app. So just go to your profile, find settings and media, go to settings and privacy. Once you've done that, go to settings and privacy and safety, and now go to audience and tagging. Turn off protect your post and protect your video. So once you've done that, your account is no longer private, and this account lock symbol will be turned off. So thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.